I have made a lot of videos without showing my face on GetAssist.net, and you can see that some of those videos have got really good views. So in this video, I will be discussing YouTube ideas that you can make without showing your face and what all you need to do for that. Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net, and before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and now let's just begin with today's topic. If you are one of those who don't want to show your face in a YouTube video but you really want to start your own YouTube channel, this video is going to be a lot useful for you. Even on my channel, if you see, I started by making videos without showing my face, but still I managed to get my channel monetized after a year. So now I will be sharing what type of videos you can make without showing your face. From my experience, you can make informational, educational and tutorial videos that will not require you to show your face. These videos are easy to make, as you just have to give the right information to your audience that you can also do without showing your face. For example, if I have to make a video about how to change Gmail account password or how to play any game, I don't have to show my face, as I can make this by simply recording my phone's screen or my computer's screen to show my audience that how they can change their Gmail account's password or how they can play any game. Similarly, if you create an educational channel where you only have to discuss the lessons and share your knowledge with your audience, you need not show your face. You can use animated videos or get the video created by a professional editor. Here is one of my videos as an example where I haven't shown my face throughout the video and have explained about SEO through animation and graphics from the very start to the end. So you can also similarly make educational videos using animation and graphics. So I hope you got the idea of what kind of videos you can easily make without showing your face. Now I will list out what all you need to start making videos on your YouTube channel without showing your face. The first thing you need to have is what topic you are going to cover in your video and what all points you are going to discuss. This will be the first step whenever you will sit to make a new video. So what you need to do is do a thorough research related to your YouTube channel and what topic you want to make, and then you have to prepare a script that will have all the points you are going to discuss in the video. Now my tip would be to always have some topics ready in hand so that you don't have to waste a lot of time researching for new topics every time you sit to make a new video. Next, you will need a good quality mic to record your voice. Whatever you want to discuss in your video, you can record it on your phone using any audio recorder, and you can connect a mic as well. Next, you will also need a screen recorder if you are going to add screen recording in your videos just like I do. For that, either you can use the one that comes inbuilt in your mobile devices, or if you are recording on your PC, you can use Screen Rec, which you can download for free. I will also give the link in the description box below. Now, if there is no use for screen recording in your videos, you can always download free stock photos and videos to display whatever you want to convey to your audience through your videos. For that, there are several free and paid platforms where you can find copyright free photos and videos that you can use for your videos, so such as Envato, Elements, Pixabay and Unsplash. So I will also put their links in the description box below. Once you are done recording your audio and video, you will need video editing software to combine that or to create a video out of the audio using the stock photos, videos and animation. Now if you are not good at video editing, you can always hire any editor, alright, or you can even do it yourself by using any free software such as Adobe video editing software. So that was it for how you can start creating your YouTube videos without showing your face, and I hope you found this video helpful, and do let me know in the comment section if you are going to start your new YouTube channel without showing your face. Also, if you need more help to grow on YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will definitely make a video on that. With that, I would wrap up this video and will see you in my next video.